When it comes to cleaning, don't you wish you had one thing that did it all? Introducing the new Says Stamp Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. This microfiber cloth measures 11 by 11 inches, is black, and hides stains really well, so you never have to worry about those pesky ink stains that make your cleaning cloths look dirty when they're really clean. However, should you feel the need to clean it, it is machine washable and comes with this handy paw loop so that you can hang it for drying and storing. This is the Says Stamp ring clip. It's great for hanging your microfiber cloth should you choose to hang it, or you can store it with all of your other crafty tools if you are to travel with it or just like to store all your products in one organized place. Microfiber cloth is great for cleaning any surface that you're working on, but will also pick up fine and small particles such as glitter and embossing powders. The microfiber cloth also works extremely well with the Says Stamp Ultra Clean Spray. When you get this bottle for the first time, it will come with a screw-on lid. This ensures that the liquid is sealed inside the bottle and will prevent leakage during transit. You'll simply remove that screw top lid and replace it with the spray nozzle. Cleaning with the Ultra Clean Spray bottle is super easy. Just spray whatever you want cleaned and then use the microfiber cloth to wipe away what you want to clean. It's also safe to use in a stamp positioner. You just spray the lid if you have some ink residue on there, or as you can see in my Misty, there's some adhesive residue on my mouse pad that I'm going to go ahead and wipe down. The cloth will pick up that adhesive residue with the help of the Ultra Clean Spray. It does take a bit of scrubbing, but that adhesive does come up with a little help from the microfiber cloth. We can't go without mentioning that the microfiber cloth is great for cleaning stamps as well. I'm using a clear photopolymer stamp here and transferring some black hybrid ink over to my mouse pad. As you can see, residue will stick to that mouse pad and doesn't come off easily. And because it's a hybrid ink, it's more prone to staining. So you might get some ink on your stamp positioning lid or onto any other surface that might be in your stamp positioner. The Ultra Clean Spray is going to help you get that ink out of all the nooks and crannies of your stamps. The combination of the two products will help you clean red rubber stamps as well. For detailed images like this, the microfiber cloth and cleaning spray will help you get all of the ink off your product. And did you know that the Ultra Clean Spray is great for cleaning stencils as well? Purple seems to stain more for me than reds do, and it really takes off all of the ink using the Ultra Clean Spray. Now I no longer have to take this to my sink. My microfiber cloth is going to clean it all up for me, and the stencil is good as new. The microfiber cloth is also great for cleaning tools. I have some adhesive residue here on my scissors. By the way, I want to mention that our everyday scissors are non-stick and coated, so generally you wouldn't get residue like this, but I tried really hard to get some to stick so that I can show you how to clean it off using the microfiber cloth and Ultra Clean Spray. So there you have it. There are lots of ways that you can use the microfiber cloth for cleaning. You can also use it beyond the craft room in your kitchen and other personal spaces. We hope you'll enjoy using the Says Stamp Microfiber Cloth for optional use with the Ultra Clean Spray for all your crafty needs. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone!
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.